Hey guys, welcome back to Nika's World. It's your girl Nika Jess, and I'm back with another video. So today guys, I'm gonna be doing a DIY face mask using socks. So I saw this on YouTube guys, so I wanted to try to see if this really works. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so I got my socks here. I got this one, and there's this one. So okay, so first you cut it at the bottom. I'm gonna do them one by one before I mess this up, so I'm gonna use just one to do it. Okay, so if I remember correctly, you cut it down here. Okay, you cut it down here. Ooh, I hope I'm doing this correct. Okay, you cut it down here, and then you cut it here. Okay, you cut it here on the side. Okay, and then you fold it like this. I think, is it like this? Like that. You fold it like that, and then you cut the sides, but you don't want to cut the sides here too much, but you cut the sides here. Woo. Okay, cutting the next side. Okay, I think, yeah, and then you cut the edges here. Take out the edges here. Take it out, take it out. Guys, if this comes out perfect, I'm gonna be using this to go run my errands. And there you go. So let me try this on. Let me see if this worked. Oh my god. Wait, did I put it? I think I put it on wrong. I put it on wrong. It's this way. And there you go guys, a simple DIY face mask. I gotta tighten it a little bit at the bottom here. But here you go, a simple DIY face mask guys. I'm gonna try one more time on the other one. Let me see if it's gonna come out. If it's gonna come out better. Okay. Guys, have you watched my last video I uploaded? It's gonna be up there, so click on it guys. And if you haven't subscribed guys, subscribe down below. This channel is gonna be lit, so subscribe guys. I have a lot of new video ideas coming out guys, so subscribe to the channel and give. Cut this here. Oh, if I cut this out. Take this out. Okay, put this one here. I'm gonna try this one. Let me see. Hope this one is not a fail. Okay. I'm gonna cut it I wonder if it's because the sock is too long. Not sure. But I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna cut it right here. Okay, and then I can't remember what I did. Oh, okay. I have to cut it at the back here. Cut it at the back here. Okay. Cut it right here. Right here. Cut it. Hey, cut it. And I gotta fold it. And I need to. Oh, it's gonna cut the. No, I'm gonna try from to not to cut the logo. Is it a Levi's or is it Levi's? I'm not sure what it is. Cut right here. Cut it. Ew, cut it. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. This channel is gonna be about me, my family. You're gonna meet my family soon in my new videos coming. We're gonna be doing some challenges, guys, so stay tuned to all. So I'm guessing, okay, this one. There you go. This one came out better than the first one. Guys, I'm gonna be using my face mask to go out because these face masks, so guys, before I end my video, I'm gonna show you guys the amount of face masks that I have currently. So I have my 2 DIY face masks that I'm gonna be using, and I have this one. I have this one. This one, if you watched my what's in my bag video, this one was in it. So guys, if you haven't watched it, it's gonna be up there too. Check it out. I'm gonna put the links down below. Check it out too. I have this one. And there's this one too. I like the plaid colors on this one and on this one. I have a pink one, guys, but I think I washed it. And there's this one. This one I haven't worn. This one I haven't worn it yet. And I bought a new one today when I went to town. I got a new one. This one is a black one, and this one it said it has 3 layers. So I'm guessing this one is great because it has 3 layers. So guys, that's it for the video, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Bye.